The biggest part that upsets me is that this took 28 minutes to do, and I've been worried about this for like 2 years. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hillbilly Millionaire Homestead channel. Today I am making an improvement on my chicken coop. So in 2 years, we've gone through 60 chickens, which is bad. So we are working on stopping that by fortifying our coop. So this is Coop Knox here. Our biggest problem is every direction is thick woodland. So most of the time it's animals that are preying on things. Earlier we had gone ahead and put electric wire everywhere, but I like to have the chickens free range. So what I have been doing is during the day, I would just leave this open and the chickens would free range, and at night they will come back on their own, go into the coop with the automatic chicken door, and it'll close up. However, this chicken run is open. So there could be something waiting for the chickens in the way in, or in early evening, something could come in while the chickens are inside, but the door is not closed yet. So what I am doing today, instead of just leaving that door open, I am installing another chicken door to the chicken run. So I'm going to be installing this. That's what you're going to see today. My hope is that we can keep this door closed. And I mean, they kind of accomplish the same thing. A smaller predator could still get through this, you know, your raccoons and foxes. But the main goal is having one more layer of defense without us having to worry about it, or every night coming back, close the chicken run door. If we don't do that or we forget, we risk mass chicken murder. So we are going to replace it with removing the human error from that by having a chicken door installed. And you guys are gonna see that, and we get right to it now. I've got a T-bar section. This automatically closes when the sun is down. Missing this solid, it's all secured again. When the sun comes up, just move just like that. And you be like, boom, right there. You have access to all the bottom. Your chicken coming out. Here's what you're looking at. And you're just gonna come straight out. Keep in mind, guys, what happened was that I wanted to remove the human error of having to remember every night to come and close this door. That has now been eliminated. This chicken door here, open and close. If the batteries are going dead, it will default to stay closed all the time. So that's perfect, because if that happens, it means the chickens can still get out during the day, they can still have the run, they just can't free range. So if I notice that, then I can come and change batteries. But this is the kind of little stuff that matters. The biggest part that upsets me is that this took 28 minutes to do, and I've been worried about this for like 2 years. This thing is cheap. I think it was $150. The link is in Amazon below, but it is super, super handy, and I wish I would have done this a long time ago, but I didn't. So get out there, eliminate the struggle, make it easier for you. Protect your chickens, protect what you have invested in. I'm gonna throw these on, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.